OnePlus is officially launching the Turbo 6 on January 8th, and even before the event, the company has already shared some key details that make this phone worth paying attention to. We now know the design direction, the massive 9,000 mAh battery capacity, and the surprisingly slim 1.7mm camera island, which immediately sets expectations for a device that is clearly aiming to balance power, endurance, and a refined look. From a tech enthusiast's point of view, this early reveal feels like OnePlus confidently showing its hand, building excitement well ahead of launch. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and like the video so you don't miss future updates like this, especially as more official details continue to drop. Now, what really stands out here is how OnePlus is positioning the Turbo 6 visually. The company has already released live images, and these give us a much better sense of how the phone will actually look in real-world conditions rather than polished renders. That alone helps set more realistic expectations for fans waiting on this device. One of the showcased color options is machine translated from Chinese as Chasing Light Silver, and it immediately comes across as a clean, modern finish. In the live images, this colorway reflects light in a subtle but eye-catching way, suggesting OnePlus is leaning into a premium aesthetic. The repeated emphasis on this color shows that the brand clearly sees it as a highlight, and it fits well with the overall sleek design language being teased so far. Alongside Chasing Light Silver, OnePlus has also revealed another color called Wilderness Green. This option feels like it's meant for users who prefer a more grounded, natural tone rather than a bright metallic look. From the live shots, Wilderness Green appears calm yet confident, giving the Turbo 6 a different personality while still maintaining the same overall design identity. It's a smart move, offering two distinct visual styles without changing the core design. Beyond colors, the physical design details are where things get especially interesting. The 1.7mm camera island is impressively slim, especially when paired with such a large battery. This suggests OnePlus has put serious thought into internal layout and design efficiency. A thinner camera bump not only looks better but also helps the phone sit more evenly on flat surfaces, which is something users appreciate in daily use. That massive 9,000 mAh battery capacity is another major talking point, and it signals a strong focus on endurance. Even without diving into charging speeds or usage estimates, just knowing the size of the battery sets expectations for long-lasting performance. For power users, gamers, or anyone who hates carrying a charger around, this alone makes the Turbo 6 feel like a serious contender in its category. On the performance side, the OnePlus Turbo 6 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. That immediately places it in a high-performance bracket and aligns with OnePlus's reputation for delivering fast, responsive devices. Pairing this chipset with a large battery suggests a phone designed not just for speed, but for sustained performance over long sessions. The display is also rumored to be impressive, with expectations of a 165Hz refresh rate. For enthusiasts, that number signals extremely smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and a more responsive overall feel. Combined with the powerful chipset, this refresh rate hints at a phone that's clearly tuned for users who care about performance and visual smoothness. Durability hasn't been ignored either, as the Turbo 6 is expected to carry an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. That level of protection suggests a device built to handle tough conditions, adding peace of mind for users who take their phones everywhere. On top of that, OnePlus is expected to offer multiple RAM and storage combinations, including 12GB and 16GB RAM options paired with 256GB or 512GB of storage, giving buyers flexibility based on their needs. All of this makes the OnePlus Turbo 6 feel like a carefully balanced package, combining design, power, endurance, and durability into a single device ahead of its January 8th launch. If you're excited to see how this phone performs once it's fully revealed, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more updates, impressions, and coverage as soon as more official information becomes available.